it's Sachi from Mofukawa, and today I'm going to try to copy a pro's drawing. It's Pikachu!
Pikachu?
So, let's get started. Okay guys, I have my paper and my pen and my markers and stuff. So, let's try to draw Pikachu. So first I'm going to start with his head. We're going to do a round circle, I think. I don't think it connects all the way. And then some little blushes on his cheeks. And then his eyes. His eyes have a little white circle, I think. Right here, and then we do his ears, like that, like that, like that. And now I think we color here black, like that, a little, and then we color here black. Oh, okay, yeah. Ooh, this doesn't really look like Pikachu anymore. Now that I colored these black. Ooh, yeah. That does not look like Pikachu at all. Okay, let's just keep going. That kind of looks like Pikachu. Oh, a little. Now we're gonna start with the body. Okay, so I think we go from here and then go like that with the hands a little. And then I think there's a lot of these. And then it goes like this to the body, like that. Ooh, that does not look like Pikachu, guys. Okay, let's go here again with the hands. And then here again. We're gonna make the body go up a little more, like that. And then we're gonna put Pikachu's hands again. And then ooh, his mouth's really big. Okay, let's put his nose. That looks kind of like Pikachu now. Okay, that looks like a real hand, not like animal Pikachu hand. Okay. Let's now do the feet. I think this is how it goes. Like that and like that. And now we put some lines in like that or like that and like that. Okay, you're not supposed to put the body. Okay. Now, okay, let's put a little belly button for Pikachu. And then, now the tail. Ooh, this is hard. I am not good at the tail, guys. Let's go like that. Lightning, maybe. The lightning style, like that. And it goes bigger. Like that. And then like that. And then like that. And down. And then that. And then that. And then it connects. Okay, guys. I think that's like Pikachu's tail. It doesn't really look like it, but okay, I'll try. I think that's it, guys. Yeah, pretty much it. Now, I don't know, but I feel like coloring it in. So, I know Pikachu's colors. Let's take the red and color his blush lightly. I have pencil crayons too. Okay, because it looks a little pink, but that's okay. Because his blushes is pinky red. Okay, now we need to do red in the mouth, I think. Let's do a darker red shade, maybe. These cool pens. Ugh, there. They smell delicious. Okay, let's color his mouth. Oh yeah, that looks better. Hey, it looks just the same. Okay. Okay, let's pretend we're drawing with the same pen except, yeah. Okay, let's color his mouth like that. And now we're gonna color his ear part. Oh wait, no, I already did that. Okay, let's put his, okay, let's color his body now. Is this a good yellow? I don't think so, it might be too dark. Let's do the pencil crayon again. Yeah, I think this is how it goes. You do light on his tail like that. Guys, do you like it? Okay, I don't think it looks like Pikachu at all. It looks like some kind of animal. But yeah, that doesn't exist. Okay. I'm not good at coloring in the lines. Okay, I'm so good at drawing. I'm not good at drawing Pikachu though. I don't think I can copy the pro. But it's okay, guys. Always practice drawing at home. Ooh, I didn't even cover it all in properly. Okay, guys, my drawing's not good at all. That's okay. Okay, let's just... Of course it wasn't gonna be just like the pro. The pro does like 5 hours of drawing a day. That's way too much for me. Okay, let's color his feet now. I wonder if there was black at the end here. No. But there might be black like on this little part of the tail, like right here. That black over here. That color over all the yellow. Yeah, I think there's black here on Pikachu. Now let's color his feet like this. This looks kind of bad. I have to say so myself. Okay, I like these lines that I did. Those look good, at least one part of the drawing. Let's just color all these. Oh yeah, this looks good, 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 good. Yeah, guys. Let's keep coloring with the yellow crayon. Wait, guys, I need to test this on the drawing if it was darker. I don't want to mess it up, but I want to. Oh yeah, that looks just the same. But I want to use my pencil crayon. When it's really low, I'll use this one. Okay, guys. Let's keep drawing with the pencil crayon. Come on, let's draw. Fast, 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 fast. Okay, let's go like that. Let's go like that. The eyes don't look like Pikachu at all. I don't know, because the circles are so small. There's too much black in his eyes, I think. What do you guys think? Do you think there's too much black, or do you think it's good? Yeah, guys, at the end of the video, if you think mine looks very similar to the pros drawing, you leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. If you already subscribed, you can just leave a like. If you didn't subscribe, you can leave a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Okay, guys, ooh, it's almost done, the body. Okay, guys. This hurts my hand a lot, but I'm doing it for you guys. For you guys. You better leave a like on this video. Only if it's better than the pros or the same. You guys still better subscribe if you haven't. Okay, let's go in the face now. The face is hard. Everything's hard in life. Everything's hard in life. Yeah. Oh, this is running out. Maybe I should use this yellow now. Hey, this is not working. Let's try to make it more. Okay. This yellow's running out as well. It's broken. Okay, sorry guys, I need to go sharpen my pencil, so let's keep drawing. Let's color the face. I hope this is enough. Do you guys think it's enough? I think it is, because it's just the face. It's pretty small. I might have did it too small. Oh no, the yellow is getting in the red. Okay, I shouldn't. I was touching it. That's bad. Why, Sachi? Why did you touch it? That will make it even more orange. Okay, guys. This looks really ugly. There's little white spots that I missed. That's okay. It doesn't need to be. It doesn't need to be perfect to be perfect. Have you guys heard that word before? Some people say it. Oh no, the eyes got yellow in them. That's a disaster. That one little yellow bit got in both eyes. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, let's just keep coloring. It's okay. Okay, guys, that's a good yellow spot. Okay, guys, let's draw some grass that he can stand on. It looks like water, green water. Oh wait, guys. Wait. Oh guys, how did I miss this? This ear. Did you guys see it? I think you guys were reminding me, but I didn't hear you guys. Well, of course I can't hear you guys. I'm just on camera. Okay, guys, that's good. Do you guys think I missed any other parts? No, I didn't. Okay. Okay, now we can get back onto the grass. Let's do some yellow flowers. I don't know. That one. That's bad flowers, guys. Don't hesitate. Oh no. This is bad flowers. Okay, there. That bad flower. That's X's, not flowers. Okay, these are good flowers. Like that. That's good. That's how my mom draws her flowers. Oh no, now it looks bad. I colored over. Okay, it's okay. We can keep drawing. Now we just need to draw the sky and the sun, then we're done. Oops, that's okay. Sky. Okay, let's do the smelly marker for the sun. Ugh, it won't work. Okay, that's still broken. Let's just do the one more part, sun. There, there, guys. How do you think? Does it look good or bad? And let me remind you, leave a like if you think it's the same as the pros or similar or better. It's probably not better. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed.